Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today I will demonstrate how to gather Canadian consumer information from Target Snapshot's database. We will be looking specifically at demographics, usage, consumption, brands, and opinions. To get started, let's look at demographics first. Make sure that the Demographics tab is highlighted in gray. Next, click on the Base tab on the left-hand side of the screen. For the purposes of this video tutorial, we're interested in understanding shampoo usage among males and females 18 plus in the London, Ontario area. So we will select our age range of males and females 18 plus. Next, to narrow in on the location, click again on the Base tab and scroll down until you find the area that pertains to your research. We're interested in London CMA. Next, click on the Sector tab. From here you can see demographic data or personal characteristics and views. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will select Personal Characteristics and Views. Now you can see that this data has been loaded into Percentile, so that's the Demographics tab. Next, let's move on to Usage. Click on the Usage tab. So you can see our base area is still London, Ontario CMA. We want to make sure that our sector is the right industry. So you can see a list here. You can choose from any of these. For shampoo use, we're interested in personal care, health, and beauty, which has already been selected. Next, we'll click on our topic. You can see that toothpaste is highlighted, but we're interested in shampoo. So again, we'll scroll down until we find shampoo. Here I will select shampoo personally used in the past 6 months. You can see that the data has loaded here, again with a legend on the bottom. This reports the usage of ownership in percentile of the product you are researching. Next, let's look at consumption. Click on the Consumption tab. Again, we want to make sure that our base is still in London, our sector is still in personal care for shampoo use, and then our topic is shampoo used in the past 7 days. Here you can see that this loaded again with the legend in the bottom. This report displays the intensity of usage of the product of your selected base. Next, let's move on to the Brands tab. So select the Brands tab. Here you can see different brands that have been uploaded. You can add or remove brands here on the left-hand side. The index along the right-hand side compares market penetration of a brand within the target. So our target is shampoo. A score of 100 is average, over is the percentile more likely, and under 100 is a percentage less likely. Next, let's move on to the Opinions tab. Select the Opinions tab. In this section, you can see opinions based on the following headings: Internet, travel, or personal characteristics and views. So if you click on the Sector tab, you can see these listed here. The Opinions tab is consumer information gathered from Canadians from the west to the east coast of Canada. Once you have selected your base group, you can see what types of opinions are held by the group of consumers you are researching. Again, following the index on the right-hand side, you can see the percentile that they agree with the statements listed here. Again, to export this data, you want to click on the Export tab, and then click Export, and it will be sent to your email in an Excel file or a zip file. If you have any further questions on how to use Target Snapshot or how to gather Canadian consumer information, please go to the Western Library's homepage and look us up at the Bud Johnson Library. You can chat with us here by clicking on the chat button, or you can send us an email or drop in to see us if you have any more questions.